How to unlock the Snapchat account when it is permanently locked. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can unlock your Snapchat account. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to go in your Safari or the any browser that you are using, and here you have to open up the new tab, and from here you just have to simply search for the Snapchat support. Now once you are in the Snapchat support, here you have to click on this first link that is in the top, and from here you just have to scroll down, and as you can see that here is the option of the contact us. You have to click on it. Now from here you have to select the option of the that I can't access my account, and from here you have to scroll down, and from here you have to select the option of the my account is locked. Now as you can see that here is the many terms and condition to unlock your account. Now what you have to do is simply go back, and from here you have to again go on the Snapchat support, and here is the option of the contact support. You have to click on it. So once you are in the business help of the snapchat.com, here what you have to do is simply select the option of the what can we help you with, and here you have to select the option of the account settings or the membership, and here in the description you have to add the option that your account is locked and you want to unlock your account. And after that here you have to add your full name, email address that is associated with your account, and from here you can add this captcha, and after that you just have to submit your report. So that's how you can fill up this form, and after that you just have to wait for the Snapchat respond to your report. So that's how you can unlock your Snapchat account when it is permanently locked. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.